Learning a new language is always a great idea, whether it's for travel, career growth, or just connecting with people from different cultures. Being able to speak another language is an amazing skill to have. But let's be honest, it can feel a little intimidating at first, especially if you're not sure where to start. But with the right approach, a bit of patience, and some helpful tools, anyone can learn a new language. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through some of the best tips for beginners, and we'll look into two popular language learning tools, Pimsleur and Babbel, that can make the process easier and more enjoyable. And if at any point you decide to give either Pimsleur or Babbel a try, you can check out the affiliate links in the description down below. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get by going directly to their websites. And so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, let's start with some key tips that can make a big difference when you're just starting out. First, it's essential to set realistic goals. Instead of trying to be fluent right away, start with small, manageable goals, like learning 5 to 10 new words a week. This keeps things achievable and gives you a sense of progress, which is so important for staying motivated. And over time, these small steps add up and can make learning a new language feel a lot less overwhelming. Next is creating a routine. Consistency is key in language learning, so even if you can only dedicate 10 to 15 minutes a day, that's enough to build momentum. Setting aside a little time every day makes it easier to get into the habit, and before you know it, it'll become part of your daily routine. And lastly, embrace mistakes. Learning a new language means stepping out of your comfort zone, and mistakes are just part of the process. The more comfortable you get with making mistakes, the more confident you'll become. Remember, each mistake is a chance to learn something new, so don't let it hold you back. Now, when it comes to language learning, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Finding the right method for your learning style can make a big difference in how much you enjoy the process and how effective it is. For example, some people prefer audio-based methods that focus on listening and speaking, which are great for those who want to practice conversations right away. But others enjoy interactive apps that mix reading, writing, and grammar exercises to create a well-rounded foundation. And so two popular language platforms are Pimsleur and Babbel, each taking a unique approach to language learning. Pimsleur is more audio-based, focusing on listening and speaking, which is perfect if you want a hands-free conversational experience. Babbel, on the other hand, offers a mix of speaking, reading, writing, and grammar exercises, so it's ideal if you're looking for a more structured all-in-one learning experience. And choosing a method that best fits your style will keep you more engaged and motivated, helping you stick with it long-term. Okay, so now starting with Pimsleur, it's one of the most established names in language learning, recognized for its unique audio-based approach created by Dr. Paul Pimsleur, with a strong focus on listening and speaking. It's perfect for learners who want to get right into conversational skills. Although it started as an audio-only program, Pimsleur has since added interactive features and AI-driven pronunciation feedback, giving learners more ways to practice and refine their speaking. And one of Pimsleur's standout features is its hands-free learning. Since the lessons are audio-based, you can practice at any time, whether you're commuting, doing chores, or going for a walk. By listening and repeating key phrases, you'll start to remember them naturally and feel more confident speaking them over time. Besides that, in the premium version, Pimsleur includes interactive tools such as digital flashcards, quick quizzes, and an AI-powered voice coach to improve pronunciation. This combination provides a hands-free experience while still offering valuable tools for vocabulary reinforcement. But because Pimsleur is mainly audio-based, it offers limited reading and writing practice, so you might need additional resources if those skills are important to you. Also, its vocabulary can feel a bit limited because it focuses on basic phrases and everyday speech, rather than a long list of vocabulary. And again, if you're interested in trying out Pimsleur, you can check out the link in the description for a potential discount. Next up, we have Babbel, which is designed to provide a well-rounded approach to language learning, covering speaking, reading, writing, and grammar exercises. This makes it ideal for beginners and intermediate learners looking to build a solid foundation across all language skills. And unlike some audio-focused methods, Babbel incorporates a balanced mix of activities that cater to various learning styles. And one of Babbel's standout features is its short, interactive lessons that fit easily into a busy schedule, typically lasting 10 to 15 minutes each. These lessons are designed to introduce practical vocabulary and grammar in real-life situations, making learning feel relevant and engaging. On top of that, Babbel uses spaced repetition to help reinforce what you've already learned by reminding you to review words and phrases just as you're about to forget them, which strengthens long-term retention. And for learners who want more in-depth practice, Babbel offers optional live classes with certified instructors. These classes allow you to practice speaking in real time, which is especially helpful for improving conversational skills and getting personalized feedback. However, Babbel does have a few limitations. For example, since it's more focused on structured lessons, it doesn't put as much emphasis on advanced speaking skills compared to audio-based programs like Pimsleur. This makes it a little less immersive, which might not be ideal for those who want to get into conversation practice right away. And just to reiterate, if you're thinking about giving Babbel a try, you can find a link in the description for a possible discount. That being said, both Pimsleur and Babbel are excellent tools for learning a new language, but each one is tailored to different learning styles. Pimsleur is ideal for those who prefer an audio-focused approach, letting you practice listening and speaking on the go, and is especially great if you want to get straight into conversational language speaking, making it perfect for travel-focused learners who need to speak confidently in real-world situations. On the other hand, Babbel provides a more structured experience that includes speaking, reading, writing, and grammar, making it a better fit for those who want a comprehensive foundation in all language aspects, not just conversation. In short, if your main goal is to get comfortable speaking quickly, especially for travel, Pimsleur might be the way to go. But if you're looking to build well-rounded language skills, Babbel offers a more balanced approach. And if you want to know more about the prices or want to take a closer look at each platform, I have full reviews of both Pimsleur and Babbel, which I'll link in the description down below. And so feel free to check them out for more insights on which one might be the best fit for you. So wrapping up this video, remember, language learning is a journey, not a race. And finding the tools that fit your learning style will make the process more enjoyable and a lot easier. Anyway, that's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. And again, if at any point you decide to give either Pimsleur or Babbel a try, you can check out the affiliate links in the description down below. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get directly from their websites. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.